We are in Vietnam at the moment and we're gonna stay here for about 4 weeks.
Yes.
And after that we will move to Australia.
Yeah. We start in Perth.
Yes.
And we hope we will find a van soon and find work. So that's the planning for now.
Yeah, because we're traveling now for quite a bit, so we need to save up some money again once we are starting in Australia.
Yeah.
But first, Vietnam.
Yes. Hi guys, we are in Sapa now, our last destination of Vietnam and of our 6 months Asia trip.
Yeah, we traveled throughout many countries in Asia, but now it's time for our next adventure because in 2 days we will fly to Australia.
Woohoo! We start in Perth and the first thing we want to do is buy a vehicle.
Yes, and find a job.
Yes,
because
of
we need to
course.
save up some money again. Thank you for watching guys and we will see you in Australia.
Yes, bye!